Guess what? It's springtime, which is awesome. It's warming up, cold weather is fading into the past, the days are longer, the plants are starting to bloom, the trees are starting to sprout, got flowers everywhere, people are getting outside for their spring sports and activities and spring break. That all brings the one thing a lot of us have trouble with: allergies. So allergies are a common problem, and they're related to our environment in some regards, and also to how our body is processing some of this stuff. What happens is some of the pollen gets in our nose, our body kind of freaks out, creates a crazy histamine reaction, which is what gives you those itchy eyes, watery nose, some postnasal drip, and maybe the stuffiness and the discomfort. There are some things you can do to correct all of that. That's more long term. But let's talk short term. So, in the short term, what you can do is help your body deal with these symptoms. This comes down to helping the liver process that histamine and get it out of the body. Also, giving some support to your adrenal glands. They do a lot of support for the immune function, that type of thing. Provide some vitamin C and some vitamin A to support that immune system response and a proper response, and then some of the healing of those tissues. So we use a awesome product. It's called Allerplex. Imagine that. It's for allergies. It contains some stuff to help the liver get rid of that histamine out of the body, which helps lower that histamine load. That'll bring down some of those itchy eyes, that runny nose, that type of thing. It also has some other liver support, which helps get rid of some of the buildup in the liver from all of that processing, that helps bring down that irritation inside the body. And then it has support for the lungs and the adrenal glands. Your adrenal glands are kind of your stress hormones, and they deal with some of that response of the immune system. So we want to support that as well. So that's the primary thing I like to use with people, which everyone seems to like. Alongside of that, one of the things that's in that Allerplex is Antranex. It comes from a liver of a cow, and it is designed to help just pull the histamine out. It doesn't block the histamine like an antihistamine like Benadryl. So it doesn't have any of those side effects, but it just helps pull it all out. Alongside that Allerplex, what I'll do is I'll give more Antranex to help pull more and more of that stuff out. All depends on how each person is dealing with their allergies. So that's kind of from the food side. Now you can get into the herbal side, and we'll use something called Allergico, which is a combination of black cumin seed, skullcap, and a couple other things, and that can really help it. Those combination of those things can really give you some relief. Now, after some things are calmed down a little bit, we'll switch somebody to black cumin seed to help with more of the maintenance phase and on the herbal side. So those can be really helpful. If you're really suffering with your allergies, those are kind of the food and herbal products that you can use. Another thing that I'll recommend to people is using Breathe by doTERRA. That's a great product as well. It just helps open up the airways and helps your body deal with it. And you can just throw that in a diffuser or rub it on your chest like a Vicks or something like that. All great products, all designed to help you get through this allergy season so you can get outside and enjoy your life. Stop by or get on our website, order those products, and see if that helps you get through your allergies better than some of those Benadryls and other things that make you groggy and drowsy, so you can get out there and live your life and enjoy spring.